God of mercy has done it again for me. Thank you, Daddy. God of mercy has done it again for me. Thank you, Daddy. Guys, I'm making lemon tea, lemon and green tea combo. I love this combination. It's not that it's sweet, and that's why I like it or love it. No, it's not sweet anything. It's not sweet anything. It's just that the level of digestion it gives me is unexplainable. Then the remaining one, I just tie it in this nylon and put it in the fridge for later use. Okay. Yup. Now I'll get my tea, my green tea bag. This water has boiled before, but I feel like it's getting cold, so let me re-boil it. I want it rolling boil. So here is the green tea. Put it here. See the lemon, right? You put it here, and then you pour in your hot water. Your hot water. Pour in your hot water. Sometimes I do add like half of it and then fill it up with room temperature water, but if I want it really hey, what's that thing they used to call it? If I want it really honestly I can't remember what I know it, but I can't remember what they call it. But if I want it really bitter or really hey, it came now and left. Oh, I'm so angry. I hate it when I cannot remember something. Is this thing going down? I feel like the thing keeps bending. Anyways, if I want it really, let me say acidic, but please, you guys should remind me in the comment section. I've forgotten. If I want it really acidic or bitter, I just pour the hot water, leave it to cool down on its own before I start sipping on it. But sometimes if I cannot wait, I just add half of the hot water and then fill it up with room temperature water. All right, let's go keep it somewhere to cool down. What type of child is this? Guys, Blessing is eating lemon effortlessly, like she's not even squeezing her face. Blessing, who are you? Blessing. Hey. See her mouth. Like, I'm feeling it from here. I'm not even the one eating the lemon, but I'm feeling it from here. Oh my goodness. Anytime I'm making my lemon tea, she will come and she wants to eat the lemon. Same thing with Favor. Favor also licks the lemon without even squeezing her face. Mommy, it's okay. Hey, Jesus. Who are you? Who is your father? Who is your mother? Which planet did you come from?
It's because when I started eating lemon, it used to be sour when I'm small. But when I start eating it when I'm big, it'll be yummy.
Hey, so, okay, she said when she was small and she tasted it, it was sour. But now that she's grown, it's yummy. Hey,
See the way she's sucking it. Blenwa. Now, wow. I can't do this without squeezing my face 1 million times. Eh? Mommy, it's okay. This is, no, seriously, this is strange to me. Eh? How can she be licking it as if she's licking sweet orange? Eh? Oh, wow. Now, wow. By the way, here is my lemon and green tea that I just made now. And she's eating the remaining lemon. Oh. Ciao.